Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, May 7th, 2021, and the U.S. stock market is closed. You're looking at the Dow here. Dow did, in fact, make a new record high. It took off today. It never looked back, not even a hesitation all day, and closed near its high there with the Dow up 228 points for another all-time record high. And yes, Freaky Friday was freakier than usual, and we had a crappier day than usual, as you would expect with the Dow going to a new record high. Sorry if there's some cynicism in my voice. We came in with only three positions. We did improve our exits on those. We only lost $2,300, which was an improvement from the 5,000 negative that we had on the close yesterday. But that's where the good stuff ended. We got into 16 positions. 3 were positive, and 13 of those 16 positions were negative, with the Dow up 228 points. We're carrying negative over $17,000 over the weekend, and my bet is that's going to get worse on Monday. I'm going to show you a bunch of stocks to try and make sense of what happened, but out of that 17 or 16 positions, we had one good position, so I'm going to show you that first. This was an MGI, which is MoneyGram International Incorporated. We got that on a pop. It kept going. It was up to about over $12,000 up here at the high. It did pull back, but not too bad, and we're still holding positive $9,000 in MoneyGram International on the close. But that was 1 out of 16 trades that was good. Everything else was terrible, and I'm going to show you 5 of those to show you just what was going on. This first one is in Beam, B-E-A-M, that's Beam Therapeutics. We bought the high of the day, and the whack-a-mole started selling it all day long. We closed down $5,000. We didn't close, but we're carrying negative $5,000 in Beam Therapeutics. Next, I'm showing CLOV, which is Clover Health Investments. We bought nearly the high tick of the day again. The whack-a-moles shorted and sold it, and we ended up being negative $1,500 in Clover Health Investments. Next is DM, which is Desktop Metal, and that we again bought pretty close to the high of the day, and the whack-a-moles and the bad guys sold and shorted it all day long, and we closed negative $2,000 on that, or not closed, but carry negative $2,000 on that. The next is FNGU, which is Bank of Montreal. We bought the high tick of the day. The whack-a-mole sold it all day long. We're carrying negative $1,400 in Bank of Montreal. And finally, we bought nearly the high tick of the day in XL Fleet Corporation. They sold and shorted it all day long, and we're carrying negative $1,600. Okay, what I want you to notice here that all these stocks are from different sectors, so it's nothing related fundamentally that is causing stocks to do this. This is algorithmic uh, trading by the hedge fund managers, and their algorithms are doing the opposite what our algorithm is doing. So we're getting very screwed. Um, I'm not sure just what it means. All I know is these big guys are selling and shorting every pop-up they can. You know, it isn't a case that these stocks that we're buying are going down necessarily. What it means is that when they pop up, they're sold, and that's why I call them the whack-a-mole guys. And it's universal across virtually all the stocks I look at. The only exception today out of 16 stocks was a MoneyGram. So it's very discouraging, but I'm not going to let it spoil my weekend. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll be back here Monday trading as usual.